Hello everyone, my name is Juliet Chukwuemeka. I'm 27 years old and I'm from Nigeria. I'm currently pursuing a master's degree in computer science at Padapon University. This semester, I studied the course Web Development, which is one of the courses provided by ReDI School. So the main chapters of this course were HTML and CSS. So in the next slides, I'll present to you what exactly HTML is. So you might be asking, what is HTML? Well, HTML is the structure of a website. So basically the skeleton of the website, while CSS is the flesh of the website. So what you see, the colors, the fonts, what really makes the website to pop. So in the next slide, I'll show you a list of the topics we covered during the class. So we first of all started with the basic HTML structure. An HTML document has a head, a body, and a foot, just like a skeleton. We spoke about HTML tags, we spoke about HTML headers and footers, attributes, even how to embed HTML media like audios and videos. In the next slide, I will show you a screenshot of what an HTML document actually looks like. Like I said, it's like a skeleton. We have the head and the body. And the head and the body in HTML is wrapped around an HTML tag. In order for you to use a CSS, you need to embed an external file of CSS inside the header part of the HTML. So the course had two parts, the HTML and the CSS. And then the slide, you'll see the different topics we covered for the HTML part. So we started off with the HTML selectors. We learned about text formatting, links. We learned about flexbox, how to position, overflow, flex, all the different attributes that make the web page more colorful and more vibrant. So in order for you to use the CSS, you have to embed it into the HTML, and then you need to have some selectors. So we have a class and we have an ID. So a class, you put it in the HTML and you present it in the form of a dot in the CSS file, and an ID, you represent it in the form of a hashtag. So in the next slide, as you can see, we have a screenshot of what the CSS actually looks like. So throughout the course, we worked on our own personal portfolio. So I would like to show you what I achieved. So as you can see, this is my portfolio website. We have different sections, and the different sections talk about projects I worked on and my about section and the contact page. So we have a nav bar at the top right corner where you can navigate to see my project. So when you hover over the cursor, you see the different projects I've worked on. We have the About Me, where you get to know more about me, where I'm from, where I schooled, what I like to do. We have my educational background, and then the set of skills that I possess. And at the end, we have the contact information. Next, we have the resume. So if you want to check out my resume, you can click on it. You can be able to view it, and you can also be able to download it. So that's all I have for my portfolio website. What I liked most about the course and ReDI was that the courses were interactive, they were fun, the pace was nice and normal. It was a safe space. We had different teachers. We also had workshops once a month, and we got to meet individuals in the workspace in different companies. And overall, it was a great experience. I loved every single minute of it. Thank you.